Now let's play a game where you act out the different jobs in the hive. Do what your brothers and sisters on the screen are doing. Listen to what I describe. Be a worker bee. Pretend you are scouts looking for nectar. Fly and buzz around. What are you trying to find? Flowers, yes. That's right. Oh, stop, you found a flower. Use your proboscis to drink it. Put some pollen in your pollen basket. Buzz and fly home. Do a dance to show the others where the flowers are. Come on and do your bee dance. You're telling your sisters how far away the flowers are and in what direction to go. Remember, it's shaped kind of like a figure 8 too. Do your dance. Now you're a drone. You're eating and waiting and waiting and eating. And eating and waiting and eating and eating and waiting and eating and waiting. When it's time, you're going to fly out and go find another queen. Now you're the queen bee. You're the biggest one. You just wait for people to take care of you, walk around, go where you want. You're in charge. Nice work if you can get it. Be the queen. Because you're bigger than everyone else. Okay, bees, you're back to being people. For your assignment, I want you to draw the bee life cycle, but there's an important difference. I want you to make sure that you show the life cycle with the cell. So when you draw the egg, I want you to draw it inside the L, because if you're a bee, that's where you're laid. And when you are a larva, I want you to show the larva inside the cell. That's where you grow. And when you're a pupa, I want you to draw yourself inside the cell. Now remember, when you're a pupa, your cell would be covered by this wax roof, but I want you to draw the actual pupa that is underneath that. And then you can draw yourself as your adult bee coming out of your cell. So you may not see the entire body. And I want you to label egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Also, include these arrows to show where you go, one step to the other. And because it's a cycle, there's no end to it. It just keeps going and going, 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 going around. I like playing with that red pointer. Okay, so your bee life cycle, it's inside the cell. So you've got to make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided cell. What do we call a shape with 6 sides? A hexagon, yes. So each of your stages of the life cycle, the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult coming out, should be within the cell. Okay, good luck with that. I'll be looking forward to seeing those. Don't forget your labels. Good luck.